world copes with the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, people are adjusting the new way of living, especially in the public space. Our workplace have enhanced the air quality and other improvements, and our cities are being modified to kickstart a healthier, more sustainable way of communicating. First and foremost is the habit of wearing a mask or face covering whenever we in the public space. Wearing a mask isn't just a restriction for our freedom, rather it helps us to regain freedom by reducing virus transmission in communicating and making every interaction safer. Freedom for people to go to work, attend school, interact with others, and most importantly, freedom for illness and fear. Below you will find out the top 5 innovative face masks that are comfortable, breathable, reliable, and relatively affordable. So, let's check it out. Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that the viewer may know about the product. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so that viewer can make their proper decision. The 3M Ultimate FX Full Facepiece Reusable Respirator appears with high-quality filters that would adequately block small fuels, dust, and other flying debris. It helps with breathing and won't cover your nose and eyes. It is designed with large lanes to deliver you improved visibility. It provides 6-step for comfortable and secure fit over your face, and it is easy to clean. The mask also has a voice diaphragm, allowing you to speak each other without need to completely remove your mask. The diaphragm is statically positioned on the mask to give you the best sound transmission as possible. This will allow you effectively communicate with each other in the work site. The reusable respirator is easy to assemble and disassemble for cleaning. You can simply twist the filter and carriage attachment whenever you want to disassemble for the cleaning. Plus, bond silicone gates are placed to eliminate loose gaskets that can be lost. It delivers full protection against vapor such as chemical, acid, and plants. So if you're working in a smoke-prone environment, this particular model is ideal for you. A full face mask fits your face more securely and it's perfect long-time wears. The FD100 full mask is gas mask, gives you dual activated coil filter and full face impact resistant lens. It is great for those who work with chemicals and other toxic substances. This mask can filter out up to 95% of all the solid airborne particles. This mask will protect you as you do the dirty work. It fastly filters out the dust, germs, dirt, and filth. Also, it supplies clean air for both to breathe and protect you free from the flying debris. It is a powerful shield against the dangerous gas and stone wards. This mask is made from high-quality silicones and scales your face securely and comfortably. Plus, you will love that fact that mask comes with your factory assuming 100% money-back guarantee. Moreover, it is ASTM E2952/70 tested. Overall, it will deliver a high level of protection because you can use it in different hazardous environments. Besides, its construction is sturdy and would last longer no matter what industry you're gonna work in. So you should get if you're frequently exposed in industrial vapor or chemical essence. Worried about the toxic stream in your workspace? Then the 3M full Facepiece reusable respirator will get you covered. With this respirator, the problem of inhaling toxic smells and fumes will be over. This respirator will provide you the maximum protection you deserve. The design is very easy to enable that you fit it comfortably on your nose and mouth. They come with a silicone face seal, a cool flow vial, and a large lens. In terms of design, it is lightweight and support a cool and dry comfort. Its visibility is great and the user would be able to view objects at different angles and range. There's also a center adapter in the mask facing users breathe downwards to prevent moisture from the building up inside. The features also keeps the mask cool even after hours of use. The respirator can be reused as many times as you want. You will just need to replace the filter whenever they're full, and the mask itself is easy to clean too. Additionally, the 3M full Facepiece reusable respirator is very effective in preventing dirt, smoke, smell, and dust, and also it permits the penetration of clean air for your breathing. It is sturdy and that would last for a long time. Overall, it is available in 9 sizes and the quality option is perfect for you to use with the vapor, mold, dust, and chemicals. The Holulo full face respirator is quite well known in the market and it is popular for durability and comfortable wear. It's made of high quality silicone. When the time comes to protect yourself from the chemical vapor and other harsh fumes, check this model out to see if it's right for you or not. It has the durable rubber and 7-in-1 design and comes with the vapor coated filter cotton and filter covers to keep you protected. If you're dealing with gas, paints, or chemicals, the mask will keep you as comfortable as possible. The heatband has 5-point adjustment while the ensuring the mask is designed for use in a laboratory environment. Therefore, the adjustable 5-point heat strap delivers a custom fit, with a wide-angle dome lens providing a good field of view. The polycarbonate construction of lens is stock and impact resistant, protecting your eyes. Also, this gas mask comes with the accessory kit that includes a spare filter. All in all, the Holulo Organic Vapor Full Face Respirator is the best for those with a tight budget but still want the decent protective qualities from the full face mask. ATMOBLUE function likes air purifiers. It made with the latest technology found in high-end purifiers of today. Therefore, it effectively sucks the bad air in and cleans it before it can reach you. However, it is designed as a mask. It grants you to breathe fresh and filter air on demand no matter where you are. The ATMOBLUE utilizes a patented air filtration system uses the industrial-grade H30 HPA filter capable of blocking 99.97% of air particles. So with the ATMOBLUE, you can protect yourself from the harmful chemicals, pollen, smoke pollutes, microdust, odorous virus, and bacteria. Also, the H13 HEP filters are replaceable and they have the average usage time of 115 hours of apparently 6 to 7 weeks. Plus, this mask is made up with a silicone seal that will lightweight and dermatologically friendly. This ensures good air stays in and bad air stays out. So if you're looking for a most effective way to clean your air and breathe while you're keeping you comfortable, ATMOBLUE is an awesome choice for you.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.